Good afternoon. It's Saturday. It's snowing a little bit. +1 or 0. I don't remember. We've been told that. Whoa! Slippery. The weather forecast for today is blizzard conditions with high winds. And it should start within the next hour. And in other news, I have purchased, let's say this, I have been on a waiting list for a parking space from our house company that has power. And we were just notified that we have it. So now I'm able to plug in either our car or the van, and they can be heated. Or I can work from here in the van with electricity powering everything instead of having to rely on just the battery. Score! All right. Cool. Let's get this baby plugged in. The battery is almost empty, so I want to charge it up. And now that I have a parking space where this can be with electricity all the time, I'm going to try it out. All right. Good. It's there. All right, that should be on. Let's go check. Yes, we have power. Woo! All right, we have power, we have heat, battery's charging, it's warming up in here. I'm actually hoping to let this thing like warm up for a couple of hours because I don't know if you can see, but there's some like condensation in here that's been in here for a while, and I'm hoping that this will dry that up. And yeah, now I'm set to like work out of here full time because now I have full electricity in the winter. I was thinking like if we don't get any sort of permanent like electricity like space where I can plug in regularly, then I have to wait until some of the warmer months to start working in here again. But this changes everything. I can work in here all the time, every day if I need to, no matter how cold, because I have unlimited supply of heat and power. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna let this be for about, well, that has a timer on it for 2 hours. So I'm gonna come back in like an hour and see how this is doing, see how the battery's charged, see how warm it gets in here. Now it's, let's see, 0.2 outside, 1.6 inside. So it's just starting to heat up. All right, just came from the grocery store. Running some errands. 1 second. Where's the button? Oh, there we go. Yes. Okay. Yes, as I was saying, I just came from the grocery store, and it's been about almost an hour since I put on the heat in the van, and now I'm gonna go check it out, see if my battery is charged, and see if it's warm in there, just to see how it all handles on its own. Okay, but let's go. Looking kind of stormy out here. All right, let's go see. Ooh, it's a little snowy. A little snowy out here. Whew, windy. Glasses is not a good choice for today. All right. Let's see what the situation is. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Okay, battery I think just started charging because it has to be above 0 for this to like charge. That's still running. Oh, look at this. Wait. Let's turn this on. 9.7 in here. Not bad. Not bad. It's like, when I'm not driving this around, this is like a little man cave right here in the parking lot. Love it. Yes. This is so awesome. I think I'm gonna actually turn the heat off, but I'm gonna let it stay plugged in and charge here. And then we'll see. But actually, I don't know, is it like, if this stays warm in here, will it keep the snow like melted off the top? I'm gonna let it stay going and like try to dry up all this condensation in here, and actually I'm trying not to stay in here too long so that my breath doesn't create more condensation. This is so cool. It's gonna be a good year. Came to check on the boat. Oh, it's so windy. Let's see. Okay, good. The tarp is still holding. Oh, there's a lot of snow on top of there. I gotta clean it off. Alright, I cleaned the snow off. It's super windy. I need to come back and check this again tomorrow. The tarp isn't like just completely ripped off from the wind. Whew. Glasses were clearly the wrong choice for today. Oh my God. Jeez, what a weather. That was intense. It is super windy. Okay, I'm gonna head back home now.